Every 5th of November, Britain comes alive with fire. From seaside towns to city parks, the sky erupts in colour as thousands gather for one of the country's oldest and most spectacular traditions, Bonfire Night. But while most of us enjoy fireworks in the garden, some places take it to a whole new level. Let's tour Britain's biggest and wildest bonfire celebrations. First stop, Lewes, East Sussex. This is the bonfire capital of Britain, and honestly, there's nothing else like it. The whole town shuts down for a night of fire, noise, and history. 7 local bonfire societies parade through the streets carrying burning crosses, torches, and huge effigies, not just of Guy Fawkes, but of political figures and villains of the year. The air fills with drums, fireworks, and smoke, and the night ends with massive bonfires on the hills. It's loud, chaotic, and deeply traditional. A living piece of British pageantry that's been running for over 300 years. Next, head north to Ottery St Mary in Devon, where they celebrate by running through the streets with flaming barrels. Yes, really. Locals hoist burning tar barrels onto their shoulders and sprint through the crowds. The origins are murky, part rebellion, part ritual, but it's said to date back to the 17th century. Only locals are allowed to take part, and the barrels can weigh up to 30 kilos. It's not for the faint-hearted, but it's one of the most thrilling sights in Britain. Then there's Battle East Sussex, fittingly named since it's near the site of the Battle of Hastings. Their bonfire procession dates back to the 1640s with flaming torches, marching bands, and a spectacular firework finale against the backdrop of the old abbey. In the north, Yorkshire goes big too, with cities like Leeds, Sheffield, and Huddersfield hosting enormous displays that light up the skyline. But for something truly atmospheric, try Brockham, Surrey, where the bonfire is built by hand from hundreds of wooden pallets, towering 30 feet high, lit by torchlight as a whole village gathers to sing "Remember, Remember." And of course, across London, iconic spots like Alexandra Palace, Battersea Park, and Blackheath host breathtaking displays with music, lasers, and fireworks choreographed to tell the story of the gunpowder plot. From Lewes flaming processions to Devon's fiery barrel runs, Bonfire Night is more than fireworks. It's a uniquely British blend of history, rebellion, and celebration. So, where would you dare to celebrate? Among the crowds of Lewes, under the flames of Ottery, or by a village bonfire with a toffee apple in hand? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, follow, and share for more of Britain's best traditions and wildest nights.